We have some breaking news, hot off the press from Poshmark. In the previous video, I told you guys how they changed the default search feature option shit, which, by the way, just want to stop here. I curse in my videos. If you have a problem with that, don't watch my shit. Commenting, telling me to be more ladylike, like it's 1950. Yeah, just saying that I need to stop talking like a trucker, or I shouldn't swear, it's not professional. Like, I don't give a shit. I'm an adult, I can swear, they're just words, it's not that serious. Relax. So yeah, Poshmark changed their default search feature. Everyone got mad. Majority of people have been seeing a decrease in sales since this happened. Well, they just did a little blog post. I'm gonna read it to you. It says, "Dear Poshmark community, as you may know, we recently rolled out a new default sort option for search to launch a more relevant search experience for all Poshers. Recommended sort takes into account sharing as well as a number of other aspects. Since rollout, we've seen a huge improvement in the buyer experience and seller sales across the board." Who's telling you that? You sure? Because literally everyone is complaining about it. So what? What? Okay, it says that we've seen a huge improvement in the buyer experience and seller sales across the board. But we've heard your feedback. The new sort order is simply not working for many of you. So which is it, Poshmark? Have you seen a huge improvement, or has it not been working for many people? Like, what? As a result, today, which today is February 18th when I'm filming this, guys, my birthday's in a week. Whoa, I can't wait to go sourcing. We're gonna do a full day of sourcing on my birthday. It's gonna be great. Okay, so as a result, today we will be switching back to just shared as the default sort option for most users. Why only most users? Why not all users? Like what? We will continue to improve our search to provide a better experience for shoppers and help sellers get more exposure via sharing and relevance. We will re-release a new version after further tested and integration. In closing, I value your partnership in creating a space fueled by the voices of the community and propelled by the work of our team. Please comment below to share feedback. So this is from Tracy's son, who's the SVP of Seller Experience. Yeah, so Poshmark heard us, but first they said that they saw great success, and now they're saying that they heard us and there wasn't great success. So that's confusing. My sales today have been really good. So I'm gonna check to see if it's changed for me. It has. I just searched for Adriana Goldschmied jeans and the as I throw my phone at you guys. Sorry, did that hurt? But I searched for Adriana Goldschmied jeans, and as you can see under sort, it says just shared. Good. This is good. If it's not broke, don't fix it, right? Is that what the saying is? Yes. Okay, so this is good. I didn't have to update my app. It just switched back to that. I'm glad. Hopefully sales will start to pick up. I do have a video. I'm going to upload this video first. I did film a video telling you guys what I do when sales are slow. That'll be up. This is definitely a good thing. Like I said, the majority of people have had a decline in sales. If you have just had business as usual, if nothing has declined, consider yourself lucky and one of the few. It's 11/11. Make a wish. Make a wish. What did we learn from this whole experience? Hopefully, we learned not to put our eggs in one basket. Hopefully, we learned to just not solely rely on Poshmark, because honestly, Poshmark could just disappear tomorrow. And if Poshmark is your only source of income, what the fuck are you gonna do? So what have I done during this whole fiasco? Well, I talk more about it in my other video, but basically I have been cross-listing a ton. As obviously know, I'm on Poshmark. I'm also on Mercari and eBay. And there's another platform that I added to the mix. I'm not gonna talk about it quite yet. I'm gonna test it out first and see how it goes, and then I'll give you guys my opinion on it. So yeah, I'm on 4 different platforms now. I also have a new business strategy that I'm implementing soon. I'll talk more about that again in a different video if you guys are interested. But yeah, just don't rely on Poshmark, guys, because Poshmark honestly owes you nothing. I know that's like shitty to say, but it's true. Like, they could just up and shut everything down tomorrow and you're gonna be SOL. You should comment down below and let me know what you have done this past like week and a half, 2 weeks, however long it's been. Tell me what you've done to deal with the no sales or lack of sales issue. These last 2 weeks have just been crazy. It's like, is it a full moon? Actually, I think it was a full moon, wasn't it? I think it was. Poshmark algorithm is crazy. You guys, oh, you guys were so funny last night. I got so many DMs on Instagram. You guys are like, Vanessa, Nicole State's back. She made another video. My stalker is still stalking me. A couple of you guys sent me messages about that, which is just fucking like, it's just beyond pathetic at this point. But yeah, hopefully now that Poshmark has changed things back to normal, things will start to be normal again. In a way, this whole Poshmark fiasco has kind of been, I mean, I don't really want to say a good thing. I mean, oh, it's kind of been good. It's made me like pause and wanna like reset. Like I said, I'm on a couple different platforms now. I've got some like business switching around, changing shit that I'm gonna do. And yeah, I'm just ready to like switch things up. I'm ready. I'm really ready for spring. I'm ready for warm weather. I'm ready for the change of season. I'm ready for the change of fashion. All right. I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Comment down below and let me know anything that's on your mind, what you think about this. And I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.